Hello friends, I'm going to share best tips for making yogurt faster and thicker. You can try these different ways of fermenting yogurt in instant pot, air fryer, oven, microwave and warm places. These are the key points which will help for speeding up yogurt making. Type of bowls, warm milk, whisking starter and milk, additional ingredients, maintaining warmth, time of setting. If you want very thick yogurt, use whole milk. If you're fat conscious, use 2% reduced fat milk. Stay tuned for my video how to make low fat yogurt thicker. Let's get started. Use steel bowls if your yogurt doesn't set properly, as steel maintains warmth and helps for fermentation. First add little yogurt starter in a bowl. Mix the starter. Check my video how to store yogurt starter for 6 months. Add warm milk. Mix starter and milk well. You can add chili, either green or red chili. I really love making 2 bowls of yogurt at one go in instant pot and air fryer. It's very handy as one bowl stays fresh in fridge while other one is being used. Or add warm water in a bowl and place underneath the yogurt bowl and cover with lid. Steam from warm water helps to maintain warmth. Keep lid helps to maintain warmness. Ferments faster. Time of setting also matters. Best time is daytime, as room temperature will be better than that of night time. Instant pot with yogurt more takes care of fermenting well with cold milk also. No need of chilies too. Instant pot takes around 7 to 8 hours for yogurt, sometimes lesser depending on how hot the weather is. Air fryer is the faster way of always. Takes around 5 plus hours. For air fryer and oven, preheat initially, then turn off. Rest of the methods take 8 plus hours. Keep light on for oven for more warmness. For microwave and warm places, warm water under bowl helps more. Hope you like my tips and ideas. See you again with many more tips and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.